Hi, my name's Austin with the Pest Pros division, and today we're flying our new Ebee SQ drone. So this drone today is going to be taking some bare soil images of a potato field that hasn't emerged yet, but it can still give us valuable information that we can use later in the season. So this drone is outfitted with a Parrot Sequoia camera in this compartment that takes multispectral and true color images. And so this we can analyze for NDVI, GNDVI. We can look at insect populations, disease pressure points, and other problem spots in the field. And this won't replace our scouting, but this supplements our scouting. This drone, once we throw it up, will cruise around about 55 miles an hour, and it takes pictures down to 1-inch pixels on the ground, so it gets very fine resolution. And so this can be very valuable as a tool for us and our growers this year. And so Alright, so our drone is currently in flight. I think it's on waypoint 7, and so we're currently flying just a little 40-acre field to test it right now. And so it'll make rounds and then bank and then come back. And so during these rounds, it's taking photos, and so we're monitoring it the entire flight. And so we're able to see if the wind gets too high or if it loses touch with the camera or anything like that. And so we can tell battery life, how much flight time is left. It's home distance from where we took it off from and where it's going to land, and all sorts of good stuff. And so even in mid-flight, I can tell it, hey, I want you to land from a different direction, or I can actually modify the flight plan in mid-flight and tell it to only focus on one half of the field and stuff like that. And so this is very, very exciting.